Let's look how we can preload some custom brushes. So example, I have a brush selected. Let's create an empty layer. And I want to preload brushes that I maybe just purchased or I found somewhere on the internet. So what you want to do, you can right click anywhere with brush selected in its pop-up menu with your brushes. Or when brush is selected, you can go on the top, click down by this kind of display what type of brush you're using. And it's open same menu, and right here you can see the gear. So let's go click on the gear, and you notice we have several options: new brush preset, rename, delete, all these options, so we can create a lot of stuff. Right now, all what we're interested in is load brushes. So we click on this, you can see it's open our browser, and we have it currently. I already have it kind of navigated to the area with brush selected. So from this area, I have many different brushes, and I can select some of them and preload it. So for example, let's go to the rusty metal. Okay, and you can see it's switch bar, and I uploaded them on the bottom right here. So now if I want to use it, I can click and kind of use it, those brushes, if I need it. Okay, this is example of the brush. It's from Ron collection. And if you look on resources, you see how you can obtain. Of course, if you load it to very many brushes, sometimes it's hard because it is kind of hard to scroll. You always can reset. So let's go, for example, we go to reset, click OK, and it's save it. No, I don't want it. So right here, it is reset to my current default brushes. So it's how the Photoshop comes. So if for some reason you have too many of them, you can always reset. As well, you can just go and delete it. Again, you can load it, you can reset it, you can replace it. Notice right here, you also have a very fast access to some presets. So for example, if I like my collection, that I like it, I can save my brushes and it will add them to this list. So in this case, I can very fast to access to specific set. So example, let's go again. Okay, and you can see right here, I have it preload other ones. The square is different. Of course, you have options. Always just click append, and it will add it to the list. You already have it. So let's go back and reset my brushes. So this way, it will help you to manage and load it and use the brushes for your compositing works.